everyone, welcome back to today's video. I am very excited for today's video because I partnered with FabFitFun. If you are not familiar with what FabFitFun is, they are a seasonal subscription box. They come out 4 times a year and they just released their spring box, and I'm here to share with you today. We're gonna go over all of the products that are inside. You get full-size products, and they really stuff their boxes with a lot of products. So when they asked me to partner with them, I was like, yes, of course. Like, I wanna try this box. I wanna see what all the hype is about as well. Like I said, I always see it on other people's social media and it always looks so good. So I'm gonna dig on into this box with you guys here. I do have a coupon code that I'm gonna share with you guys later as well, but this is what the spring box looks like. You can see the size of it. It is loaded with good stuff. So let's dig on in. So the first thing we have here is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I've never used HelloFresh before, but I know it's one of those like meal preps that come to your door. So you pick out like a dinner, it's like all healthy dinners and stuff, and then they shop the ingredients and then everything shows up at your door, and then all you have to do is throw it together and cook it. So it's an easy way to cook like healthy meals. So you get a $50 gift card. Now this I was so excited about because I saw this on other people's social media and it looks so pretty. It's the Ish Lip Statement Palette. And look at all these beautiful lip colors. You have nudes, you have pinks, you have plums, you have reds and corals. Like, you really have so many beautiful colors. You do get a little lip brush up here as well. This is so perfect for traveling or just throwing in your purse and like touch-ups throughout the day. So I think that is gorgeous. So, and here you get this little bag here. Oh, and it's a cute little necklace. It's a little love necklace and it's in silver. And it's like a cute little dainty necklace, kind of like what I always wear. I love my little dainty chains and little dainty necklaces, so that's cute. Now, what is this? This says Rachel Falley, which I am like a fan of Rachel Falley stuff. Her stuff is always so cute. Her clothing's so cute. Look at this cute little clutch. That is so cute for the spring and summer. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love clutches like this that just kind of open up and then fold over like that. Oh, that is so cute. There's a little pocket inside and it's actually like very spacious too. You get a lot of space in there, but I love clutches like that that fold over. This is gonna look so cute, just like, you know, ready for spring with a pair of jeans. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. That is adorable. Now we got something from Free People in here. I love Free People stuff as well. Their clothing, another amazing clothing line. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. Look at this eye mask to sleep in. It's so cushiony, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, it feels like there's like a gel in here, so maybe you're supposed to put this in the freezer. Yeah, it's a cooling pack. Place the cooling pack in the freezer, and then you put this on your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, how stinking cute is this? This is gonna feel so good too when it's cold. That is adorable. Then we have #1 Manhattan Beach. Ooh, I love Manhattan Beach. This looks like it's gonna be a candle, I'm guessing. Yes, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I love candles. I love setting candles around my house. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, that is amazing. That is going downstairs in my family room right now because I'm gonna burn that. It smells like the summery beach. Like, it smells like summer, pure summer. That is amazing. Oh my God, I cannot wait to burn that. Then we have a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Again, everything is full size in here. Like, that's crazy. So this says it's a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. So an oil-free moisturizer, full-size product, again, amazing. We also have a Kors Body butter, if I can speak, and I love body butter, so this would be perfect more like in the cold weather. I always wear like body butters like in the winter, but this is the guava body butter. Oh my gosh, that smells so good as well. So full size body butter for those of you with super dry skin. Also, this is a Dove exfoliating body polish. This is just like a little sample size of that, so that must be like a new product or something. We also have, what is this? This is the Dermect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. What is that? Oh, a concealing ridge filler. So it's for nails. So it's the #1 peptide infused anti-aging nail treatment. So you put this on before you do your nail polish, and it's supposed to fill in any ridges and help your nails like become healthy. So that's what it looks like. That's actually a really good product. I've been using something similar to like make my nails become healthy again since I took off my acrylic nails and these are just my natural nails. This one looks really good too. A peptide infused concealer and treatment. It's an anti-aging nail product. And then I'm super excited about this because I saw this, like I said, on some other people's social media, and this just looks amazing. This is a massager. You can literally, let's see if you can like massage your own neck. Oh my gosh, you can massage your own neck. That feels so good. I'm gonna do this to myself throughout the video, but I'm gonna definitely have to check this out. I'm gonna have Brian like massage my back with this at night tonight. It does feel good. And this is just like a super cute little massager. So cute. My kids are probably gonna steal this. Whenever we're at like Target, they see those little like massagers or anything, they just like start like massaging themselves. It's so funny. So they're probably gonna steal this from me, but this is super cute. Okay, so here is the deal for FabFitFun. They come out with 4 boxes a year. They come out with 1 new box every season. Like I said, this is their new spring box. They are $49.99 a piece and you get over $200 worth of stuff in each box. So $49.99 a piece. I have a Brianna coupon code. I will list all that info down below, but if you use my Brianna coupon code, you get $10 off your first box. So your first box is only $39.99. So you can get this box for that price. Like that is a huge deal. So I'm so impressed. I can definitely see what all the hype about surrounding the FabFitFun is. I mean, like how fun was that to get all this stuff? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, all of the info will be linked down below. Don't forget to use my coupon code to save that $10. Also, thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.